Hi, my name's Sarah Francis. I'm a yoga teacher, and today I'd like to share a really simple, gentle flow suitable for beginners, suitable for anyone. So come to sit on your mat, find a cross-legged position, bring your hands together and draw them in towards your heart. Close your eyes. I'm going to start with some nice, deep, grounding breaths. So a deep inhale through the nose and a long exhale. Another deep inhale, long exhale. Now open your eyes and inhale, lift your arms up slowly. As you do, look up to your thumbs, letting the head drop back if your neck's okay to. Exhale, follow your thumbs with your gaze as you bring the hands all the way down to the navel. Let the head drop down. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, bring them down, tuck the head in. Inhaling to lift, exhaling to lower. Now leave the head where it is and bring the hands back down to your knees. As you inhale, bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Exhale. Inhale, left ear, left shoulder. Exhale. Inhale, take the right ear to the right shoulder. Draw the head all the way back and round. Bring the chin down to the chest. Inhale, bring the left ear to the left shoulder. Take the head all the way back and round and back down into your chest. Now as you inhale, lift your head and squeeze yourself forwards. Squeeze the heart forwards, look up, shoulder blades squeeze together. Exhale, rounding back the other way. Draw the navel in, look to your belly. Inhale, come forwards. Exhaling back. Couple more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now as you inhale, doesn't matter which way you go, bring your chin over one of your knees and forwards, and then exhale all the way back. So inhale over one knee, come forwards, over to the other knee and back. So imagine you're drawing a circle in the air with your chin. Let's do that one more time this way. Inhale, exhale. Then start to go the other way. Inhale forwards, exhale back. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now bring your hands behind you, fingers facing forwards. Lean back into them a little way, bend the elbows, and then push from your navel through your sternum, up through your heart, your collarbone. Let the head drop back, squeeze the shoulder blades together to arch the spine. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower, relax that. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, come into a fold. Just come to where the hands will naturally reach to. Then inhale, lengthen a little more. Draw the navel in. And exhale, come down deeply into a fold. From there, walk the hands back up. Now, change the foot around. So whichever foot you had in front, just bring the other one in front instead. Bring the hands behind, fingers facing forwards. Arch the spine, look back, breathe. Deep inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades, open the heart. Exhale, relax. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, come forwards into that fold again, which might feel a little bit tighter on this side. Just bring the forehead towards the floor. And then walk your hands back. Now bring yourself round onto all fours, any way that you can. So make sure your knees are below your hips. Your hands are below your shoulders. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck under. Again, inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck under. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Now bring the knees a little bit closer together, not quite touching, but just about an inch or so between them. We're going to inhale, lift again, lifting the leg, toes towards the ceiling, look up. Exhale, nose and knee together. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck in. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Bring that knee down. Other side, inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale, look up. Exhale, nose to knee. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Come down. Take the knees hip distance apart again. Inhale, look up. This time as you exhale, drop yourself back over your right heel and then sway over to your left. As you inhale, take the weight into your left hand, then over into your right. Exhale, right heel, left heel. Inhale, left hand, right hand. Twice more. Last one. That next time as you exhale back, we're going to change the direction. So just change it on an inhale forwards, exhale back. Just easing out the hips and the spine, finding that connection of movement and breath. Next time you exhale, we're going to sink back into child's pose. So we're sitting on the heels and bring the forehead down to the mat to rest here. Keep the fingers reaching forwards. And then bring your hands back either side of your ears. Push into your fingertips. As you do, bring your knees closer together and lift all the way up. Bring the palms together. And exhale, sit back on the heels, bring the hands to the heart. So we're going to do a really gentle flow now. It's called a seated sun salutation. So we're going to inhale, lift the arms, shoulder width apart. Exhale, bring the hands down to all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck under, top your toes. And inhale, come up to down facing dog. So lift the tailbone high, squeeze the thighs to the wall behind. Lengthen up from the fingertips to the tailbone. From the tailbone down into the heels. From here, exhale, drop to your knees again. Sit back on the heels. Bring the forehead to the mat. Bring the hands again either side of the ears. Push up, bringing the knees closer together. Inhale. Exhale. Pause, take a breath. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Inhale, coming up. Exhale to all fours. Inhale. Exhale, tuck the toes. Inhale, down dog. Exhale to child. Sit back. Forehead comes to the mat. Draw the hands back either side of your ears. Inhale, come up once again. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to the heart, closing the eyes. This time, inhale, lift the arms up, shoulder width apart. Come down to all fours, but then take it a little bit longer. So take the hands forwards towards the front of your mat. We're going to come into a pose called Anahatasana. So the tailbone stays high. We're dropping the chin or the forehead down to the mat. Chin is good, it gets you really low, but if that feels too strong, just rest your forehead. If that feels too much, you could place a block here under the forehead to hold. Anahatasana. Bring the hands either side of the ears. Inhale, come up to all fours. Exhale, tuck under, tuck the toes. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, drop to the knees. Sit back on the heels. Bring the forehead to the mat. Take a rest. Hands come either side of the ears. Bring the knees a little closer together as you inhale, come up, palms touch. Exhale, come down to your heart to pause. This time we're going to inhale, lift up. Exhale to all fours. Now from here, come up onto your fingertips. Create some space and bring your right foot between your hands. Have a little sway. We're going to inhale, lunge into that knee, look up. Exhale, straighten that leg just as much as you can. Doesn't have to be completely. Inhale, come forwards. You might just get a little way to here, that's fine, or further back. Once more, inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, come forwards. Bring the left hand firmly to the floor. Bring your right hand to your knee. You're going to start to rotate. Look up to the ceiling and lift your right arm, lunging through the hips as you hold here. Take an inhale and exhale. Bring that right hand down. Find all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck under, tuck the toes. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, drop to the knees, sit back on the heels, bring the forehead to the mat, rest, deep breath in, long deep breath out. Hands come either side of the ears, inhale, knees closer together, come up, palms touch. And exhale, hands to the heart, close the eyes. Left side, inhale, lift up. Exhale, all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, tuck under. Now make some space and bring your left foot between your hands. Going to have that little stretch, so we're going to inhale, come up. And exhale, stretch it out. Inhale, come forwards, look up. Exhale, stretch it back. Once more, inhale. Exhale, stretch those hamstrings. Now inhale, come forwards. Bring the right hand firmly to the mat. Bring the left hand onto the knee. Start to rotate. And lift your left arm up. To hold. Rotating your heart up to the ceiling. Reaching into those left fingers. Bring the hand down. And all fours. Inhale. Exhale. Tuck the toes. Inhale. Down facing dog. Just pause here a moment. Lengthen through your spine. Gazing back between your knees. From there, lower the knees. And bring the forehead down to child's pose. Bring the hands either side of your ears and just push yourself up to sit. We're going to stretch the legs out in front. Bring your right foot into your left thigh and inhale, lift the arms. Keep lengthening up, look to your left big toe. Exhale, come into a fold. Once you're there, inhale, lengthen a little bit more deeply. Exhale to fold, to hold. And then inhale, lift up your arms. We're going to twist. So we're going to take the right hand behind, left hand to the outside of the right knee, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale, lift the arms. As you exhale, bring the hands down and change the legs around. Bring the left foot in. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, fold. Keep the gaze to that right big toe. Lengthen as you inhale. Exhale, fold a little bit more deeply. Hi, Catty. Inhale, lift the arms. And exhale, turn to your left. Take the left hand behind. Right hand to the outside of the left knee, looking over your left shoulder. And then inhale, lift the arms. Take the legs straight and come down to lie on your back. Hug the knees into the chest. Have a little rock side to side. Take one hand onto each kneecap. Start to circle the knees. We're going to take them wide and back in a few times, one way. Really rotate those hip sockets. Get that nice stretch in there, releasing out any clicks or creaks. Start to go the other way. Good. We're then going to just let the right leg go long on the mat and just hug the left knee in just for a moment. And then take the left toes behind the right knee. Take the left arm out to the side. You're going to lift up, take hold of the left knee and start to twist over to your right, turning your head to your left into a nice deep supine twist. Come back to center. Bring the left knee in again. We're going to let it go long. Hug the right knee in. And Catty loves yoga. Bring the right toes behind the left knee. Take the right arm out to the side. Lift. Take hold of the left knee. Right knee. Come over to your left and turn the head to your right. So make sure your shoulder blades stay down in this twist. The right shoulder blade can lift a little. You don't want it up off the ground too much. You want to feel really grounded through the upper back and the arms. And come back to center. And hug your knees in. Give them a really good squeeze now. Give yourself a good squeeze. Hug your nose in towards the knees. And we're going to release down from there. And again, we're just going to circle the knees a few times, one way. Back the other way. And from there, we're going to come into Shavasana. If the cat will let me Just going to take the legs down, take them slightly apart, bring the hands by your sides, and just enjoy some deep breaths here. Feel that your whole body can sink down into the floor. Arms can be heavy, legs can be heavy. The whole of the back heavy into the mat. The whole of the head heavy. The whole body, just feel the whole body as one. Resting, sinking, melting into the floor, into the earth beneath. And feel that connection as you lie here with Mother Earth beneath your body, drawing up on her loving, supportive energy that's coming up through whatever surface you're lying on. And you can lie here as long as you like. Enjoy.